Hey guys, welcome for your weekly updates, and today I'm going to be looking at the chart of Bitcoin as usual. And so I don't have a lot of relevant information to share, even though we had a big drop here. You would think I would have something to say about this, but the main reason why I don't have anything like very relevant to say is because I'm pretty neutral short term. I don't see bottoming signals on the technical analysis, but at the same time I see everything very extended down. So that's a little bit of a conflicting signal. And also the reason I haven't been sharing a lot of content lately is because I have been already taking positions when prices were lower than they are right now. Not just for Bitcoin, but for a number of coins here. I'm not going to share the specific coins because this is locked to private members. This is the 2022 HODL portfolio. And I did already take two entries for each coin. So this one, for example, is the same coin. I had two entries, and this one is down a lot, by the way. Something happened at a fundamental level on this coin, which I didn't see coming when I entered here. But the rest, if you see here, there's two prices is one coin. So I had already two entries for each coin, and most of them are still up quite a lot. So I entered almost every coin way lower than they are right now. So that's why right now, because I don't have perfect signals, like perfect bottoming signals, I'm not sharing. I don't have the need to be sharing more entries, because I shared entries already when everything was much lower than it is right now. Right now the average for the whole HODL portfolio is 10% up as of right now. So we could still drop more than we dropped already, and this could even go in the negative, in the red here, and it would still be okay, because when you enter, sometimes when you enter positions, for some time in the beginning it's going to be in the red until it bounces again. So generally everything is still uptrending. For example, I have the Luna chart here. I don't have, like I said, I don't have a perfect signal to enter. I don't know exactly where it's going to find support. It could be now, but it might not. It could also go all the way down to the 200-day moving average, and it would still be perfectly uptrending. So I would still be bullish, but I don't have any like perfect signals to share entries right now, not on Bitcoin and not on altcoins. And like I said, because I have entered it already when everything was lower, I don't have the need to be looking for positions right now. Now, if I wasn't exposed enough, if I didn't have enough Bitcoin or enough of any other coin that I'm really interested in, Ethereum, for example, or any other coin, I would for sure be taking some positions now. But like I said, because I have taken positions in the past already, I'm not like desperate to enter or to share, by signals, entries. So I think I'm not going to have any relevant technical analysis information until the weekly candle closes. So right now, one thing I shared yesterday for the on the premium group is that Bitcoin right now is at very close to this 39,000 main support. I'm going to extend this here. So it's at the 39,000, which is the red line down here. This is very strong support, and it's also at the 20-month moving average again. So this is double very strong support. So it tells me it's very possible it's going to bounce somewhere around here. So if we look at the monthly chart, if this starts to bounce now, because there's still 17, almost 18 days until this candle closes. So if it bounces here and it closes the month as a green candle, the lowest of the current candle will still be higher than the previous one. So it would still be perfectly bouncing on the 20-month moving average, and I'm leaning to this, to this outcome right now. But we're gonna have to wait. If this was gonna close below the 20-month moving average, then I would be turning neutral leaning to bearish short term. So that's why I don't think I'm gonna have a lot of relevant information until the monthly candle closes and the weekly candle closes as well. The weekly looks more bearish because we had a bearish cross here with the 20 and 50 week moving averages, which I have been talking on the last two videos. So that's not bullish at all. Like, I can't lie, this is a bearish sign. Historically, every time these two moving averages cross bearish, we had capitulation. It happened here, it happened here, and basically it happened every time on the previous bear market. So this is the most bearish sign that I can see on the chart of Bitcoin, but it's still early to say. Like, I mean, this current weekly candle is still 5 days to close, so it could bounce anytime at 39,000, which is the main support, and it could still close as a green candle here. Then everything would change. That's why it's pretty irrelevant talking about this right now. Me personally, I'm leaning more to the bullish side, meaning I think it's going to bounce anytime. I think it's extended down enough because it went down too much and too fast. And usually when you have such vertical moves in the upside or in the downside, it usually resolves in a big bounce as well. So I think we are due for a big bounce. And if we have a big bounce here, then the question is going to be, are we going to have continuation, or is just a relief bounce? We won't know. That's why I have to wait for the weekly and the monthly candles to close. But for right now is what I have. I'm more leaning to the bullish side also because I watched this fear and greed index, and right now we are at extreme fear. So usually when this is at extreme fear and in the price action we can see a vertical drop like this, it usually results in a bounce and a reversal. So this is what I have for this week. I wish I could be more specific, but this is all I have for this week. Guys, nothing really conclusive. I'm neutral leaning to bullish, and I think I'll leave it here. If you guys are interested, join the free Telegram channel. And I'm giving away membership here to one person every day. So I send this message once a day from Monday to Friday, unless I forget. Some days I forget because I do it manually. But I send this message. First person to replay this message gets 1 month free membership. I will do this once a day until I decide to end this promo. Can use one time per person only. So I'm sending this every day, and I'm giving away every day 1 month of membership to someone here in this group. So that's all from me this week. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.